Hey lovies, welcome back to another video. Let me just move my camera over.
Show the straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spot is a cooling. When we let it slide, is it cool?
Oh my god, it's a good day. It's such a good day today. I want to make my daughter her own binder because right now I have diapers in my high priority binder and I have another envelope for her in sinking funds. So I'm just like, I have an extra binder. I'm just like, let me just make her a binder, you know, where she can have her own binder with her own savings, her own emergency, her own stuff. Y'all already know we're going to start off this video with a positive quote, and let us talk about this positive quote today. I hope it speaks to you guys, and I hope that my positive quotes are able to do something for you. So the quote is, never stop being a good person because of bad people. Sometimes we have bad people in our lives that influences us a lot in a bad way, that can make you lose confidence within yourself, can make you feel real small, can do a lot of things to you. And I just want to say that you guys should just stay positive. Whenever you come up on these bad people, you try to distance yourself from them, because that's what I do. It doesn't even matter if it's family. Family is important, but when it comes to a point where family are influencing you in a bad way or causing you to, you know, be stressed out, depressed, messing with your mental health and all that, then you have to distance yourself. Distance yourself from people who mess with your confidence. Distance yourself from people who bring you down in any way. So I am putting together my daughter's binder in this video, and I do have a binder, one of the men's binder I said I was going to give my boyfriend, so I'm just going to just put that together as well, because it's literally just putting the envelopes in the binder. So I'll do my daughter's first, and then I'll do my boyfriend. So this is my daughter's stuff. These are her envelopes. They're clear envelopes because I'm using the full cover labels. And if you guys are interested in the labels, dashboards, binders are on my website. You guys could check that out. But the categories that I put for her is going out, because sometimes I try to take her out. Listen to her talking about apple. So cute. I have toys and books, even though she don't really play with toys. Do you guys have children who don't really play with toys? Because my daughter don't really play with toys. She's more likely to play with grown folk stuff. I have clothes. I have the diaper and wipes. I have emergency, savings. Yeah, those are the categories that I have for her. So it's a simple binder. This is the dashboard that I made. I forgot to poke holes in it. My bad. We'll be poking that hole right now. Let me just poke the hole real quick, y'all. Okay, there we go. So we are using a rose gold binder for her. I was gonna use pink, but I'm just like, nah, let me use the rose gold, because the rose gold is like my favorite tone. I love me some rose gold. So these are printed on cardstock, and these are the size 6.5 by 3, kind of like the envelopes. I tried to go a little bit below 6.5 just to make sure that they fit the envelope, but if not, maybe we'll need to do a little trimming. That's okay. But here are the envelopes. I do have a video on how to make these envelopes. If you guys are interested, you can check that out. Let's see how it fits. Oh, it fits. It's perfect. So we don't have to trim it. So we're doing the full label envelopes for her. I do sell these on my website. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm gonna say it again. This is exactly how they're gonna look if you order them. So, and when you're putting your categories, I just want to say put your color as well, because the color is, oh look, see this one. Okay, I thought I had to trim that, but do I, or do I want to just fight with it? Nah, let me trim this one a little bit. Y'all, sometimes these stuff could be so annoying. Like, y'all don't even know. But hey, what my trick is, I just try to cut them out a little bit like shorter than the actual envelope size. But yeah, yeah, if you guys are ordering the envelopes, you can choose your color. You can just put your color in the description as well. So we have toys and books, we have clothes. I wonder if I'm about to trim clothes. Let's see. But you guys get the idea. It's like I want all her stuff to be in one place. You know, I'm just gonna take her stuff out of my binders and get her own binder. So this could be for her. She could have her separate savings, you know, separate emergency, different from my stuff, you know. So that's a good idea. I just have to figure out where I want to take the money from to stuff her binder. But yeah, this is what's going on right now. So how are you guys doing though? How's everything? Comment down below, let me know how y'all doing with the journey. How's everything going with the stuffings? What's going on? I like when y'all keep me in the loop. I like to know what's going on. But anyways, her binder is almost finished. See, I already pre-made these. I'm literally just putting them together. I love the full cover. Do you guys like the full cover? I love it. I think it's super cute. I think I'm gonna change my Bills binder. Not Bills. I think it's what? See, high priority. I think I'm gonna change high priority to the full cover. I'm loving it. What y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all love it too? See? You see how they fit the envelopes perfect? I had to trim one or two, but y'all see how they fit perfectly? I literally just do the same size as the envelope, just try to go down a little bit shorter other than 6.5. I try to do like 6 2/4. I don't know, something like that. Just go a little less than 6.5. That way it fits perfectly. So now let me just put it in. These holes are already made, so I'm just putting this together. Y'all can tell that I like to create binders. Can y'all tell that? I have like 3 videos on my channel with setting up binders. Okay, and now let's put her dashboard. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that cute? That is super cute. And I feel like the rose gold just goes so good with it. Nice. So now I do have some money in her envelope. So I'm going to take that out and stuff it in here instead. So let's see. In her envelopes that I had in my binders, I had $20 in diapers and I have $45 in just her name. So let us put the $20 into the diapers and wipes. Let's put 20 bucks. And then let us distribute her $45 to other areas. Going out, we have toys, we have clothes, emergency, and savings. So let's do this. Let's put the 2 10s, one in emergency, and one in savings. I wish I had a little more change. I probably could find change at 20. Let's see. Or do we want to just put 20? So emergency, savings. We have what left? We have going out, clothes, and books. Toys and books. Let's put the $5. We're going to change the $20 into 2 10s. And then we're going to put $10 in clothes and $10 in going out. Let's change this. Alright guys, so let's put, we just put that, let's put $10 in clothes for this little girl. And then we're going to put the last 10 in going out. Going out is when I take her to the park, I take her to fun places, I take her to get ice cream, I take her wherever I take her, you know, wherever she go out. So that's it, y'all. Now Leia has her own little binder that is stuffed with her own little cash. How cute is this? Y'all see this? At this point, I'm wondering if I should add kids binder. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. I love to get ideas. So this is Leia's little binder. And now I'm just gonna put together my boyfriend's binder. And he gets one of the men's binder off my website. These binders are for men. It is on my website. I literally, what's wrong? What's wrong, baby? My boyfriend is so indecisive. He doesn't know what he wants. So I just randomly picked some categories for him that I think he will use. I made him savings, clothes, utilities, rent, car, credit cards, his mom, his phone bill. So for savings, I'm going to add a saving challenge in there for him. Let me punch holes, because these envelopes don't got no holes in them yet. Normally this is his part. Like normally I have him punch holes for me. I hate punching holes, but he's not here right now, so I'm gonna have to do his dirty work. So at first, let me tell you something about my boyfriend. He is the coolest, calmest person. Like he is not fussy at all. Like I am the complete opposite of him. I'm the fussy person, he's not. So when I first started the budgeting, I said to him, babe, would you like me to make you a binder? He's like, hell no. I don't want no binder. What is that? What you talking about? And I'm like, well, it's a saving challenge binder. He's like, nah. He declined nicely. But when he started to see y'all buying it and see like people are interested in it, he's like, babe, what is this thing? What is it? Tell me what it is. Tell me about it. And I'm just like, oh, now you want to know. Now you want to know. Now. So I decided to make him one. I've been wanting to make him one, but because my boyfriend is the complete opposite of me. Like he can save. He is a really good saver. I'm not. So that's why I have to kind of do this process. I'm trying to find one of the men's saving challenge for him, but I can't find one. Hold on. Maybe I'm going to have to print one. And it's not going to be... I'm going to have to print that later. I should have, though. I just need one page. Why can I not find one? Did I envelope them? What did I do with them? Y'all, I don't know, but I'm going to add a challenge for him whenever I can find it. So let's put his binder together real quick. His phone bill. His mama. Credit cards. His car. The rent, the utilities, shopping. I heard him say he's gonna go shopping, and savings, and that's it. Y'all see? I see, I want, I grind, I get. That's actually my boyfriend's favorite quote. A lion with the I see, I want, I grind, I get. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. It's always a pleasure to come on here and do stuff. If there's any type of videos you guys want, let me know down below. I know 2 people requested a certain type of video, which I am going to do for you, definitely. So just let me know, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count